This is the juice of some freshly squeezed red cabbage. Red cabbage juice can be used to demonstrate the shifts in equilibrium. Red cabbage contains a pigment which is called anthocyanin that changes the color in the presence of H ion or OH ion. This is the very simplified chemical equation showing the color of anthocyanin changes as it combines with H ion or OH ion. This is the RH, which is pink in color. When it combines with OH, it produces ROH, which is green, and H ions. And this is the reversible reaction. And in this solution, all four chemicals are present: RH, OH, ROH, and H+. But why the color of this solution is pink instead of green? It means in this solution, there is more RH as compared to ROH. Therefore, the color of this solution is green. Now, I am going to add extra hydroxide ion into this solution. This is the solution of hydroxide ion, and I am going to add now. After the addition of hydroxide ion, you may notice that the color of the solution changes from pink to green. What do you say? Position of equilibrium shift towards right hand side or left hand side? Definitely, the color changes from pink to green. It's mean the position of equilibrium shift towards right hand side. Why? Because you added extra hydroxide ion. So the extra hydroxide ion reacts with RH and produces ROH, and the color of ROH is green. Now I am going to add H ions. When I will add hydrogen ion into this solution, or when I will add acid into the ROH, which is green in color, what will happen? Now look, this is the vinegar which contain acetic acid. I am going to add hydrogen ion. This is the hydrogen ion. After stirring, you may notice that the color of the solution again changes from green to pink. What is the position of equilibrium? Now the position of equilibrium shifts towards the left hand side, because now the green color changes into pink. Why? Because you added extra hydrogen ion. The extra hydrogen ions combine with ROH and produces more OH and RH. Again, I am again going to add hydroxide ion into anthocyanin, red cabbage juice. You may notice that the color again changes from pink to green. Now come towards the explanation. What was happening when we were adding H ion or OH ion into the red cabbage juice? When I added OH ion into the solution, concentration of OH ion increases, and according to Chatelier's principle, the position of equilibrium will move so that the concentration of OH ion decreases again. By reacting it with RH and turning it into ROH and H+, the position of equilibrium will move towards right hand side. Or in other words, I can say that when I added OH ion, the concentration of OH ion increases, and the reaction wants to decrease its concentration again. How would the concentration of OH ion will decrease? There is only one way: if RH reacts with excess of OH ion and produces more ROH and H+. Similarly, when I added extra hydrogen ion into the solution, the position of equilibrium disturbed. To regain the equilibrium, excess of H ion reacts with ROH and produces more and more OH ion and RH. Therefore, the color of the solution was changing from green to pink.